Well, the job's not done. For our little nightstand here, she wanted to add a USB charger so we can charge our phone and possibly other things. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mount this on the inside, but cut a hole around here so it can be visible on the outside, and then with these screws I'll screw it into the inside wood and keep it in place, so we can just plug our phones right here and any other USB adapter. What I'm gonna do first is drill a little pilot hole here and here on the inside, and then just cut around that to make sure everything lines up. Just patient with me. It's a very small hole. All right, finished cutting out the little makeshift hole. I'm not the best artist type of person, but I tried my best with a Pampered Chef knife. This panel is not so hard to cut, so I didn't need a jigsaw or anything. And when I stick it in, I can have it slide straight in now. And then on the inside, I'll screw it to the wooden frame right here with a good long screw. That way it's nice and secure and doesn't move anywhere. Okay, this is the power, the live wire. This is the neutral coming in from the power source underneath the benches. And then these two wires right here are just the light switch downstairs. All I will have to do is just connect these wires to the switch and tap into the source, and they're all working. So I had to draw out a plan of how I'm gonna send these wires to them, because I got a hot wire and a neutral wire. And I need the hot wire to go to two loads, which is gonna be the blue light underneath the steps and the USB connector. So what I'm gonna do is here, I'm gonna cut the half wire in half and then connect the load, the hot wire, to this hot wire and to this hot wire, and then connect this one to the switch. And then I'm going to connect all my negative wires, this one for the blue light, and this one for the USB, and then have my hot wire go directly to the switch, and it's going to also go directly to the USB. That way it's always giving a USB a charge. And then the other part of the switch is going to be the hot wire on the blue light. That way when the switch is on, the blue light works, and now it can send load to two different places. So first I gotta do is I'm gonna cut this hot wire in half and then strip it, and then I'm gonna connect all three of them together with this one, and then after that I should be, and then connect all my negative wires together, and then I should be good. So let's get cutting. Okay, sorry for the little mishap. Got a little bit crazy down there in all these wires. Got lost of track of where I was, but now I got it set up and wired properly. This is my hot wire, this is my neutral wire, and I'm gonna stick it through here. Put it in place, connect my neutral with neutral, and then connect my hot wire, and I got a working light. It's blue now, so I got power. So now what I'm going to do is put tape around it to help protect it, that way nothing touches it. Electric tape. And always remember to disconnect your power source when playing with electricity. Now all of our wires are in here, and I'm gonna straighten this out a little bit to make this a little bit more neater so we can still stuff our stuff in there. And then I'm gonna screw this part to the top, and then we'll have a charger for our phones. Okay, and now we are connected. All right, now we're officially done. We have our new USB charger at our end table. So now when we're sitting down, we get to charge up our phones, not computers, our phones. And this is a 2.1 amp, so it should also charge tablets as well. The electrical 12 volt power source for like 12 volt vacuums or 12 volt TVs, or even a 12 volt USB port where we can add 2 more ports in it, and now we got 4 ports. If you like this video, along with the living room creation, remodeling, and the little extra port right here, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down in the corner, and also like us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and don't forget to become our Patreon so we can make more videos like this. And thank you to our Patreons that we have already. And I got some steak on the grill, so we're gonna wrap this up. Bye bye.